Hey guys, this is Irfan here from smartincubator.com and welcome to another live trading session. In today's video, I'm going to show you some amazing results that happened during my trade because I stopped recording. It was taking too long. I didn't want to make this video super long. And also, I want to show you some results for Goldie Incubator. So let's start with Goldie Incubator, guys, because this is mind-blowing. If you know that, if you're aware of the fundamental news that is going on during this week, the market is super volatile because of the war between Ukraine and Russia. And it's amazing to see how Goldie Incubator is performing during this event. Just take a look at that, guys. Today is 22nd and it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 trades. And look at this, guys. It closed a trade in with $347 profit. How amazing is that, guys? It's crazy. And you can literally see all the trades that it took. Look at this. These are all the trades that this robot took in the last 24 hours, and in total we are up in the last 20 days $1,239, and in total we are up almost 15%. So if you want to watch the live results, feel free to check it out. The link is in the description, and again you literally see everything yourself. That how it's performing live. It's amazing to see that, guys. It's very good. Look at this, 16% in 1 month. So 1 month, 31 days if I want to be accurate. We installed this robot in January 21st, and today's date is February 22nd. 16.7%. How crazy is that, guys? A lot of traders are not even close to that. That's why 97% of traders are failing on a daily basis, just because of their emotions. This robot doesn't have anything, doesn't have any emotion. It just follows the strategy, and as you can see, the growth is crazy like this. So if you like to grab your license, guys, go check out smartincubator.com and then go to a Smarting Incubator. You will see this section on top. When you grab your license, send us an email. This is Goldie Incubator. Send us an email and we'll manually activate your account if you want to trade completely hands-free and you don't want to get involved in the market anymore. So now we're done with Goldie Incubator. I hope you like it, guys. Let's get into the trade that I took this morning on GBP USD. So when I woke up in the morning, guys, it was almost around this area right here. So let me just do a little bit of replay. And I noticed that we definitely have a bearish market, and this is crazy that we have this strong support level here with so much liquidity, and here is actually 8:20 in the morning, which was my 6:20 in my time. And I noticed that we have this high probability order block that is already been tapped into. I switched my time frame to 15-minute time frame, and I noticed that this is super bearish. So I wasn't even thinking about buying the market to trade opposite the trend. So everything was according to the trend, and I noticed that we have this break of a structure, correction, and another break of a structure, another correction. So what I did was drawing my Fibonacci level from the top all the way to the bottom, and I was waiting for a stronger momentum. So as you can see, the price literally came up, and now we had this bearish engulfing candle. So by the time I saw this bearish engulfing candle, I was like, it actually tested this 70% level. So there's a strong chance that it wants to reverse and stop out all these buyers here, because there's so much liquidity here. There's so much liquidity around this area and this area here, and it's very potential to do such a thing. So when I saw this, I waited for the next candle after this, and as you can see, this is what happened. So I waited more, and then I saw this candle here. So after this candle, I actually entered my trade exactly right here in the middle. I didn't wait for this one because I knew that it's probably coming down. So I took 2 trades, one of them here, one of them the TP here, and the other one I wanted to leave a runner to go for all the way to this support level here, which was kind of crazy. I shouldn't have done that because because of this fundamental news and this kind of stuff. It's very unlikely that the price wants to go in your favor. So you need to just get in and out of the market very quickly if you don't want to get stopped out. But that's fine. I'm going to show you why and what I what I did exactly. So this happened, and then the price came down, and then it did a little bit of correction. It scared me a little bit because I thought, okay, so what if that this order block, this Fibonacci wants to kind of work out? But I said no, that's not gonna work out because the market is bearish. It's not only based on one Fibonacci level. So I waited and waited and waited for this consolidation, and then finally my first TP smashed. So my first TP is smashed right here, as you can see, and the second one I wanted to put it here, but I suddenly changed it to all the way to the next support that we had right here. So that was a bad mistake, because after this I moved my stop loss to break even, and I said, okay, it's either a break even trade or it's gonna go towards my level. And what happened was this, that it literally came here. I should have closed my trade here, but I left the runner, was busy with something, so I didn't close it. I wanted to close it actually here because we had a very important support right here with so much liquidity. Let me show you if I can zoom out. Look at this low point here. So this is a very strong support here with so much liquidity around. So, and it was a really good one because it would have been almost, you know, how much, 1 to almost 3-4 risk to reward ratio trade, but I got greedy a little bit. I wanted to leave a runner, and what happened after that was this. It literally, you know, it was a break-even trade. I didn't lose. I just had one winner trade, and then the market went crazy like that. It's just going up and up and up with no correction. And this is exactly how I took my trade, guys. I hope you liked it, but I highly recommend you to watch the next video, which is going to be my actual live trading session. So you will see how I break down, like, you know, the consolidation, the charts, the patterns, so you can have a better understanding and see how it feels when you're actually trading live. It's so super different. So and by the way, if you want to grab your license, you know what to do. If you have any question, drop your comment here, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, so next time when I upload a video you'll get notified. So thank you so much, guys, and see you in the next video.
Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Irfan here with smartyincubator.com, and welcome to another live trading session. Okay, so we are going to start our day with Forex Factory to see if we have any news for today. And we're gonna go to calendar section, and today is February 22nd. So 8 p.m. we have actually a few news for New Zealand, but not right now, so we have a lot of time. This one is already over for Euro, so we are kind of okay to trade right now. So I'm gonna start my day with GBP USD on a 1 hour time frame to kind of see how it's doing. So I can see this Fibonacci level here, which is really good. And guys, something that you don't believe last night, that happened last night, was this setup right here. So let me show you. If I go to my 5 minute time frame, I actually took a trade. Where was it? Yeah, I actually took a trade here, took a sell trade here and closed it here. But look at this. Wow, it could be a 1 to 10 risk reward ratio during London session, but that was crazy. That was crazy, absolutely crazy. And right now it's just dropping like you know, it's very bearish, and we have lower lows and lower highs. So this line is our liquidity, so which is a really strong support level here. So this one is already grabbed, this one is already grabbed, so the liquidity is already grabbed. So what we are left with is this support line here. So we're gonna wait for this. So far, as I said, the market is super bearish, so I'm not going to be biased towards, you know, buying the market. I'm just waiting for a correction and then see what happens. But if I want to be a little bit more accurate for my Fibonacci, it will be from here to here. See this 50% exactly here. So this 50%, this golden zone, is for our 1 hour Fibonacci level. See, this is our 1 hour Fibonacci level, this is our 50 minutes Fibonacci level. So we're gonna see which one actually wants to work, and my target is going to be here, because since it's coming down like this, I'm just going to set my alarm here. If it actually comes down by any chance, then I get notified, or If it doesn't, it goes up to here, and then I get notified exactly right here. So in this case, we are kind of comfortable right now. We're gonna go to Eur Usd to see what's going on right here. Okay, so this is a good one because, oh, actually this is, yeah, we have a very beautiful head and shoulder exactly right here, but because this week, this shadow blasted outside of the, okay, that was fast, blasted outside of the box, so this high probability order block is not invalid, is not valid anymore. So GBPUSD, which one? Okay, it was this one right here. Look at this candle, look at this correction here. So we have a bearish engulfing candle, we have our golden zone here. It's actually respecting it, see, and we have this one right here. Then I can just easily remove the line, and we have this as well. Okay, so I'm going to use my flip account, which is this one, and it's live. I'm going to go for 0.2, 22. This is what I'm gonna go for, and this is so far so good. Like, it's almost 10 pips, 10 to 6 pips. It's gonna be a good one, but I'm not going to take it right away. I'm going to wait until this candle closes in 3 minutes, and then I come back to this. So 3 minutes. Eur Usd. Where was it? Okay, so yeah, this head and shoulder is a really good one, and we have a high probability order block exactly right here, which is a really good one. This is a high probability order block that I'm going to set my alarm around, so I get notified when it's coming down. And I think this is the reason that we have this, what is that? It's the reason that we have this high probability order block, sorry, this head and shoulder here, because it's trying to come down around this level. Okay, I don't know what's going on. Okay, so it's now set up, and we definitely have a very good support around this area, just from here to here. If I go to lower time frame, then I can clearly see this support level here. So this means that even right now we have so much liquidity around this area. So there's a very high chance that the price wants to drop significantly, and also we have this high probability order block around this area. See here. So we have this one as well, but we'll see if it actually wants to go back to this level or not. We don't know. We have this Fibonacci as well, because I'm going to my plan is to sell it up to here, all the way up to here, because we have this beautiful head and shoulder here, and now it's trying to create lower lows and lower highs. See, it's going up, it's going up, it's going down. Now it's going up a little bit and it drops. It goes up a little bit and it drops again. And this is our trend line if I want to use it. But yeah, there's so much potential to sell it, guys. There's so much potential. Right now I can go back to GBPUSD to see what it's doing. So, okay, GBPUSD didn't get respected. I don't even know what is this. Oh, okay. So, yeah, see? They didn't get respected. This is our 70% level. We still don't know, to be honest. But yeah, 50%. This one didn't get respected. So, we're gonna go for like this one to see what it wants to do. It probably goes here. Who knows? Because if you pay attention, you'll see this high probability order block here. Oh no, this one is already tapped into. Yeah. Maybe not. No, this one is not tapped into, guys. Look at this. This one is not tapped into. We still have a little bit of a space in between. So this one is not tapped into for sure. And yeah. So I'm going to hold off on it for now. Not doing anything. Eur Usd. I'm gonna wait for this candle to actually tap into this level. This is a high probability order block. I'm gonna put it here. Wow, that is fast. Okay, actually didn't hit, so I don't know why it's, yeah, this is it. It's gonna be beautiful one, beautiful. If it goes towards my direction, look at this, guys. We have the resistance level here. It broke above this resistance level, correction, continuation. It tapped into this level again, and now continuation. So it means that we below this area we have so much liquidity, so many stop losses from buyers. So that's what I'm saying. It's a very, very good target. If I want to make it white, then you'll see that here we have so much liquidity, and this is our next high probability order block, but in 15-minute time frame. See, this is a 15-minute time frame, and I can actually put it here, 15 minutes OP. And this is our 5-minute time frame. We'll still it still hasn't actually hit it, so we still have time. 3 minutes again, so I'm waiting for this candle to close. GBP USD is still going up. NAS100. Okay, so I'm gonna go to NAS100. I don't know what's happening with my internet connection, guys, but it's not good. Let me just draw. Okay, so NAS100 again. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this head and shoulder. It's crazy. We had a head and shoulder here, and now it's creating head and shoulder in the opposite side, and now we have liquidity here. Now we have this trend line here, which is broken. Because of this huge movement towards upside, it actually shot up. So that's a really good sign. That is definitely bullish. But look at this. Look at this, guys. This is our golden zone. So I'm going to set my... Oh, come on, man. What's happening with my internet? Oh, shit. Okay, here we are. I finally could set up my alarm here. And now what it wants to do probably is to drop. But when? Probably after tapping into this high probability order block. Create. It's probably just hit it right now, not sure, but I'm going to go back to Eur Usd to see what it's doing. GBP USD, yeah, GBP Usd. See, this 70% line sometimes work, guys. This 70% level for Fibonacci, it sometimes does work. And we have this bearish engulfing candle here, but I want to wait for it to actually close first. Eur Usd. NAS100. Yep. Yeah, NAS100 because of this pattern here, because of this different head and shoulders, and you know, in general, lower lows and lower highs, break of a structure like this. I assume that it's going to kind of... Why didn't it ring? Okay, so it's kind of trying to reach this level. Because of this huge spike, we're left with so many gaps around this area. See, there's so many gaps around this area, so that's why it's probably trying to kind of come back to this level, tap into this level, and then go up one more time. So we don't know, we're just saying that. And yeah, and this is our trend line here, which in my opinion is going to be broken after tapping into this high probability order block and then drop because of this break of a structure here. See, because of this break of a structure. But we'll see. I'm gonna wait for 3 minutes and see how the next candle is going to perform. But it's 6:30, guys. It's actually 8:30. So the New York Stock Market Exchange is going to open in an hour. So we still have time, but don't hold your trade, guys. If you're trading NAS100, close your trade before, like 10 minutes before 9:30. So this one still not tapped. Not going to take it. GBPUSD. GBPUSD is a good one. It's probably getting respected. But the thing is that when I see this high probability order block here, just forget this. I don't want to take it. Like, it's kind of weird because look at this, guys. It's a high probability order block and it's still not tapped into, and now it's respecting the 70% level. So I don't know exactly what to do. So if I go to 15 minutes, yeah, this is still valid. We have breakout, correction, continuation. It's head and shoulder here, but this is a beautiful bearish engulfing candle, so it's like very potential. So if I want to take my trade, I'm not taking it, I'm just saying that if I want to, it'll be like beautiful, clean 1 to 2 risk to reward trade, like beautiful trade. So I'm going to keep that in mind for sure. But what I'm going to do is probably split my screen with NAS100. Oh, is everything removed? Okay, forget it, man. Okay, so yep, NAS100. It's a very good one. Eur Usd not for now, so I'm going to, yeah, GBPUSD. If I want to take that, I would go for a GBPUSD, guys. But still, I don't want to put my stop loss super wide, because if I want to put my stop loss above this level, then it'll be, you know, how many pips? 17 to 14. No, I want to go for 9 to 14. So I probably can take this. I don't know. Yeah, look at this. Even in MT4, I can literally see this, that is not tapped into. Just a little bit left. Okay, so it's not doing anything so far. As I said, it's probably going to tap into this level. NAS100. Okay, this one is already tapped into. Beautiful, very beautiful pullback. So I'm waiting for this candle here to see where it closes. GBPUSD, Eur Usd. Eur Usd not for now. I would focus on GBPUSD. It's a very potential one. There's a high chance that it drops at any time because of this lower lows and lower highs. But we'll see what happens. Okay, guys, as you can see, our NAS100 order block is not valid anymore, so I'm going to do it on a screen and show you why exactly happened. So we got to change our plan. This order block is not valid because it actually blasted through, you know, this order block. So we are not going to count on it. So I don't know what's going to happen exactly. This is kind of choppy here, and it could be kind of sideways. So, but we have this Fibonacci level here from here to here because we have so many gaps here. But when it's going to drop, when is it going to drop? We don't know. So what I'm going to do is to kind of do this. I'm going to identify my order block, my golden zone, plus my horizontal ray, and here we are. So I'm going to wait for this to get tapped into, and then we have our 70% level here, and we have our liquidity around this area, which is going to get tapped into, in my opinion. And look at this. This is our trend line, which I don't trade based on trend line, but I just wanted to kind of draw it for you to, yeah, it's going to tap into this level probably and then drop significantly. I don't know about it, but I'm not going to take it right now. And we have this high probability order block here as well. So what we can do is to grab this one, put it here, because this is closer, and then we'll see what we can do. So meanwhile, we can go to GBPUSD to see how it's doing. Eur USD. Okay, Eur USD. What are we doing here? Yeah, Eur USD didn't tap into this level, guys. Oh yeah, it actually. No. See, it's here. It never tapped into this level. So even if I missed this, then you know I didn't miss much because I knew that it didn't tap into. Oh, my internet connection again. Yeah, I was showing you Eur USD. Yeah, look at this. It could be a good one. I could take it, but it never tapped into this level, guys. So I wasn't really comfortable taking it. It could be a good one if it actually hits below this level and then tap into this level. It could be a really good risk-reward ratio, but still not late because we have this high probability order block here. This is a high probability order block that I can actually use right now. Exactly right here, and then this is right here. Yeah, sometimes when you see such a setup, then you probably can, you know, take a risk and then do it because of this bearish engulfing candle. But I don't like to because it really never tapped into. So for example, for the GBPUSD, it dropped, it tried to go up, and now we have doji candle, and now it's trying to drop again. So in my opinion, it's probably trying to drop again. So if you want to take it, you can take it from here. So I'm going to actually take it right now. Put the first TP here, and then the second one is going to be exactly right here. Okay, so with two TPs and 111 sell, one with 1.5 and one this. Nope, here, but where's this? 382. Then I'm going to put it here. 135, 372. 135, 372. Stop loss here. 35, 639. 35, 639. And then I'm going to put my. Okay. Yep, it looks good. Then it's going to be here, because you know now it's like GBP, like Eur USD. I took it here to here. This is the first one, the second one from here to here, the second one here. So it could also go further, but I don't want to keep my trades. It could also go from all the way down here, but I'm not going to take my trade, guys. I'm not going to hold it. It's going to be a 1 to 7, but I'm okay with 1 to 1.5 or something like this, because it's just faster for me. It's a 50-minute time frame. This is 5 minutes, and as I said, we have this, we have this here. Okay, which is, you know, kind of so far so good. This is a flip account, guys, as you can see. That's a very low amount. I'm going to show you exactly, but sometimes, you know, it does respect golden zone more than high probability order blocks, but as you can see, it literally tapped into this level. But I'm still hopeful, because when I'm going to I'm thinking that it's going to kind of change the perspective of buyers. So what I mean is that they actually get tempted to buy here because of this rejection, and the price taps into this level and then drops significantly towards this level to stop out all these buyers here, plus tap into this high probability order blocks. So this is what I'm personally thinking, and I believe it's going to happen if it taps into this level and then it drops. I'm going to go for a good position here, guys. I'm telling you, I'm going to go for a good one. I don't think that I take a trade on NAS100 because we are getting close to 9:30 Eastern time, so it's getting riskier. And yeah, we took it in a good spot.
The first one is going to be here, the second one is going to be here. I could leave a runner for the second one, but I'm not going to do that. So for example, up to here, but yeah, I'm just going to close it here. I'm going to close it here, and then the second one. Yeah, that's a good one. So how many pips? 10 pips, 10 pips. Yeah, it's exactly 1 to 1. You know, 10 pips, not bad. I'm going to kind of flip this account. I gotta increase my lot size to 0.25 or even sometimes 0.3. Okay, so far it looks good. You have these lower lows and lower highs here. We have this support level here. So you know, sometimes what happens, like all the time, not sometimes, what is going to happen is this, that buyers think that we have this fake out here. So what they do is that they see this momentum, they take their buy position and they want to close it somewhere around here. And what happens is that the price comes back, stop them out, and then it goes towards upside, right? It always does that. That's why, you know, banks and institutions know how you're trading, so it's going to actually do that. So what I'm going to do is just to wait for this candle to kind of calm down, and then tap into this level. I don't know how far it wants to come drop, but I have belief in it that it's going to do that, and it always does that. So GBP USD is this for Eur USD. Let's see. Okay, look at Eur USD, guys. Look at Eur USD. It's a beautiful one, and I think now it wants to drop and stop out all these buyers right here, and also drop further to this level here. Okay, and this is, in my opinion, this is what it's going to do. Eur USD, 5-minute time frame. We have this. Now we have this drop here. Okay, 0.25. If I want to take this trade, then it's a good one. Well, we also have one probability order block here, but based on this momentum, then I don't really know. Yeah, I'm going to wait for this. Yeah, because we have this high probability order block as well, but I don't think that it does count anymore because it never tapped into. So I don't know. I have no idea what's going to happen right now, but we're gonna stick to GBP USD only. Okay guys, as you can see, this is also a really good momentum for Eur USD because of these two strong rejections. And now if we have a bearish engulfing candle here, I'm going to take it right here and then close it here, not here, because I know that this is a fake out. But I can actually divide my positions into two positions and close the second one right here. Well, if you want to, you know, pay closer attention, we also have this high probability order block here. So you can definitely leave a runner, but you never know how far it's going to go. But I'm going to kind of, you know, because we also have a moment trade in GBP USD, so I want to see where it closes, and then I can take a one-to-one trade here. I'm not going to, you know, leave it for, you know, so long. As I said, I'm a scalper. I just want to get in and out of the market, especially on a flip account. It's better to kind of leave a runner for flip account, but sometimes I don't like to do that.